Welcome back to our channel. Today we'll be showing you how to add a sticker as a community photo in WhatsApp web. Let's dive right in. Step 1. Open WhatsApp. Step 2. Go to your community. Step 3. Click on the 3 dots. Step 4. Select Announcements Info. Step 5. Navigate to the Announcements Community tab. Step 6. Click on the community icon. Step 7. Choose Emoji and Sticker. Step 8. Go to the Stickers tab. Step 9. Select your desired background color. Step 10. Choose the sticker you want to use. Step 11. Click on the checkmark icon. And there you have it. You've successfully added a sticker as a community photo in WhatsApp web. Thank you for watching. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more amazing WhatsApp tips and tricks. Don't forget to share this video with your friends. Until next time.